Had it stiff.
What do you mean it doesn't move? Did it move at all?
Yeah, a little, but not much.
Yeah. Because that doesn't do anything on that
Yeah,
side.
it was soft. You see him pushing it down. It definitely
I don't
soft.
like how they twist everything like this, but that's how they do it. I do not like this way of doing stuff at all. It should be equally, you should be applying equal force on all of your tools, including your forks. Those forks are not that strong. They're flimsy as pieces of crap. You know what the big plus in this deal is? That side actually goes up in there easy. At least it did before.
Okay, a little over here.
Did you lay it on the table with an open hole in the oil thing?
I guess we gotta guess it adding oil.
How much is on the ground? Well, how big's the pile? It ain't that big. Like I said, it doesn't matter, it's just lubrication. You got oil on the floor still too. It's alright. Give me some oil. Give me a little bit more than that. Oop, a little bit more. What do you got? That's probably about all we lost. You laid it down, that has a hole in here. We lost maybe about this much oil, I'm guessing. Yeah, close enough. You know, when you have an open hole fork tube, always figure they're gonna leak up the top. Even when you don't think they're going to.
All down the side of it too.
That'll knock you off. You know, put some on it. So it doesn't really matter if there's no dampening on this side at all. It's just strictly lubrication. Doesn't really matter. Basically, what we have in there right now is totally adequate. There's no reason to have any more than that, but we can always add a little extra. I think we lost about that much, give or take an ounce. Okay, we got 10 instead of 11. It said 10 on this side anyway, right? It's got the cartridges and all that junk.
Yep.
You put the funnel in there. There you go. Did you grab me another clean towel over there?
Clean.
Oh, I got another in my pocket.
He said clean.
I got my breakfast towel. I got my breakfast towel. It's got breakfast food on it. It's perfect. All right. See, I recycled. I came from the kitchen to the shop.
This is the biggest trip hazard.
You have a trip hazard around here? Did you pull a black line up to run backward long? Now you think it's leaking out the bottom because of that leak on the top. Okay. What'd you learn?
Don't lay it down.
Keep your fork up if there's a hole at the top. There you go, sir. And that's not the first time I've done that one either. I did this same stunt. Usually the tubes fall down and you start gushing out of them. Okay. Now, find your tightening tool. Okay, we need an axle. Turn in the
What
whole
else
thing.
we need? We need a bump stop here.
Oh yeah. You know why I didn't put that in? It's not laying here on the table, I just remember to see it. You only need that if you're gonna turn to the left. Are you turning to the left on this bike?
You're right. Nah. 3 rights make a left. Problem solved.
Good enough for UPS. Yeah, well.
All right. Now we got a bump stop.
There you go. At least it's a bike before I figured it out. These bikes are weird. You got so much crap on them.
Trees go on backwards.
They definitely do go on.
It's so strange. You put it on backwards because it's just what your mind wants to do.
They are going on backwards. Okay, so let's go put this in there. Block wash it, flat washing it looks. You think they're smart enough to do that? Let's see if they are. Yeah, that's it though. You're not gonna get the finger.
So you put this on so it aligns this properly before you tighten your trees down, correct?
What?
The axle.
Well, it allows you to torque without twisting down here, you were spinning the tube for a while. Now you can tighten that all you want, it doesn't twist down there. So go ahead and tighten it now. You've already tightened it. And you got a fork stop now, see that works, see? Yeah, not quite.
Still spins. This stuff has to be tightened down first.
Oh, it's spinning inside here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the top nut tight with that big crescent.
Alright.
Yep, that's the guy. My 13-inch crescent. Should go against the straw. I'm wearing all the baby.
Here, let me come hold it out of the way.
Okay, ready? You want to yank off on the lever side?
Say what?
Just yank. Put some grip to it. That should be good. I think that's tight. Was that torqued?
That was
It's torqued.
200 pounds right there.
That still doesn't work. I need the combination, or not combination. I need the breaker bar with the 5/8.
Do we want to tighten this down so this is
No,
in the spot?
I'm tightening this.
Huh?
No, I'm tightening the tree down right here.
But don't you want to
No,
have the axle there before you tighten that?
no, this is the pinch bolt for this. Oh, I gotta get the picture of it up. What was the drag?
What is that?
It's a 5/8 with a breaker.
5?
Without. So my breaker bar's down there. The breaker's right on top, and you your 5/8 and mine, I don't care.
Grab one, 5.
We got to put a little bit of torque on the tree so the tube doesn't turn, so we can tighten this, then we'll loosen this back up, let the trees be what they want to be, and then torque them down. Is this an impact socket we're going to torque on, or is this just a pussy tip socket?
I don't think you're going to break it.
Am I going to break it? You sure?
It's Craftsman.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, it's perfect, you're fine.
Craftsman.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Are you a craftsman?
No, I'm butcher. Did you read the comments on YouTube? What's happening?
Oh my goodness, it's tightening up.
You turn the wrench without it doing anything. There's a lot of squishy on that rubber in there. Now, the only holding your bite together is that rubber that's jammed underneath this here. That's what your whole front together strength-wise.
So you approve of this design? Is that what you're saying?
Well, it was good enough for 1949, should be good enough for 2010 or whatever years ago.
How fast did they go in 49?
Really fast. Real fast. That's how fast they went. Okay, got some torque on it. Okay,
Alright.
now we loosen these up. Let the trees go where they want to be. Okay, are they where they want to be?
We're definitely stiffer than what Harley wants.
Got some drag in there still? Those calipers are banging pretty heavy down here. Well, not too much. Alright, it's gonna torque this grade 8 bolt down to a grade 2 triple tree. See how much torque on that.
How much is it supposed to be there?
You can hold that in your hand.
How tight do you go?
It's a 7/16 bolt, I'll tell you when to go.
I don't know.
Well, tight enough to tighten it. Think that's good?
It's pretty tight.
Okay, good, that's tight. It's your bike, I'm mine, I don't care. Hold that,
I'm
brake
just
line
gonna
away.
put it right where it belongs so it
No,
gets out
just
of
pull
my
it
way.
away where it's out of my way. Make sure it belongs. Needs to be out of my way. About that much? Okay. We can put the brake line in there if you want now. You want to put the tab up here on the thing?
Sure. Makes you feel safer.
I don't care. You need a screwdriver if you can do it though. Channel locks are right there. Get a good view of your shoulder and your head.
Good.
Perfect.
We're not even close to where we need to be over here.
Good. Give me the channel locks on there. We'll get back to this in a minute. Channel locks. Might need a screwdriver too, I'm not sure yet. I think I need a screwdriver too to get that thing up in the air. Nope, I was able to do it. Lock tab is secure, sir. There you go. I need a little quarter drive, probably with a 5/16 or 11/37, some stupid size, 3/8.
I'm guessing it's 3/8.
It's pretty small.
5/16 too.
Not that small.
Is it gonna be?
I think it's that one. You went right through the goalie.
Neither. Goal! It's neither.
Went right through. 11:32? 11:32? It's our upper triple tree ground wire. Get that? Don't do that. Trying to break it off.
You happy with it? I mean, it's barely got any torque on it at all.
Well, I don't know you're doing it. I'm not up here. It's just a screw. That's good, that's good. Break it in. You know, you're yanking on this trying to move it, it's how you break the terminal off. You have to hold that where you want it to be. Okay, we didn't put any zircon in here yet, we don't put any grease.
No greasy grease.
We're not gonna put no grease in the fork?
Not at the moment.
It's gonna run dry? You got a failure at Harley test. All right. So he's working that brake line. Ugh. Inside the 4 o'clock nut up here, did up here. And we put our ground wire right here. He's sticking with the brake line. Ugh. Ooh, look at that, it's got a screw and everything in there. Torque set, huh? That is a fancy screw. I bet you that's a $20 screw from Harley. That's a big panhead screw. Did you know that was a panhead screw?
I did not.
You know what a panhead screw is? It's a large headed screw like that. Well, you broke the can. It's a Torx one on top, so it's even more money. Showing you Harley's gonna want $20 for that. Probably obsolete too, can't buy it. Not available. It's a current part, but it's not available. They like doing that crap. Don't get too carried away. Only a 1/4" bolt. All right. That'll do it. All right, we'll be back. We can clean up our mess around here.